Dear test patients, welcome. Today I'm going to explain how to create melodies really fast. So, without further ado, let's dive into it.
Tim Hox.
Dear test patients, welcome again. Today, what I was telling, I'm going to show you how to create melodies really quick. There's a really handy tool in Fruity Loops how to work with that. And I'm going to explain it to you guys. So, I chose the Brilliant Piano Soft. Just choose a piano that you like. Yeah, it doesn't really matter how it sounds, but you need to hear things clearly. I just chose the Brilliant Piano Soft of Nexus 2 of the Total Piano expansion. Yeah, it's just a good piano. You otherwise you don't gonna use it or something like that. So it doesn't really matter. It's just to hear the melody. So to get things started, you have this really arrow, and then you click on helpers. Click on yeah, major. I think I'm in a happy mood, and then we click on helpers again, and we choose just a note. Let's choose G sharp, because I always like the G sharp notes. The G sharp scale, I always like it. So we begin with just begin with a really simple melody. I think just the bass notes. Okay, this is a really simple one, just really simple bass notes. Let's listen to it with some other ones. It sounds great, but I think we need another note to make things more sound a little bit more, that sounds a little bit more professional, I think. Wow. Okay, maybe add in just something weird. No. But what we can do to make things a little bit more interesting, you can put in the middle ones, just highlight them and go. Now it sounds a little bit more, yeah, or you can put it down. It really depends on what you like. So I like more the higher notes, but I think if we do. So yeah, I think this is a really fast way to create your melodies and to create catchy things, just basic ones, and then afterwards you can implement other things and make it a little bit more interesting. It's how I normally do it. This was it for today. I think we learned a lot. If you like everything and just like the video, if you want to see more, of course, just subscribe and click on the notification bell so you get notified when I put on a new video. Otherwise, if you don't like it, just leave a dislike, that's okay. I will see you guys next week, and yeah, bye.